Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to roll down on the TFT. So of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your Riot client, your Riot Games client. Of course, if you have it on your PC, just go and open it up. Of course, if you don't have it, you'll have to go and open whatever browser you're using. As you can see here, I'm actually using Brave. You can use whatever browser, whatever other browser you're using, of course, and just go in and type at URL section download Riot client right now. You don't need to add right now, of course. And once it's downloaded, you'll have to install it and then open it. Once it's open, you will find yourself with the home screen or the main screen like that. And of course, here you will find your games that is already installed or downloaded into that PC. Of course, if you don't have the TFT or the Teamfight Tactics, you will have to scroll down into this all games and make sure to go into the Teamfight Tactics and click on it. Here you will be able to install it, of course, on your PC, on your even Android through Play Store, on or in your iPhone through the App Store. Just go and look uh, for it on your stores, and you will find it. Of course, once it's downloaded, you can just go here up and open it up. And once it's opened, you will have to go in and look for a game. And once you found a game, you'll have to wait a bit until the game starts, and you will normally find yourself on something like that. Of course, as you can see, that is going to be the board and that is going to be the Teamfight Tactics. So how can we actually roll down on the Teamfight Tactics? So as you can see, we'll have here a refresh button. So if we want to roll down, we can just keep clicking on it and that will roll down. Of course, we can roll down until we have 0 gold, because if every refresh can take or request or consume 2 gold from us. So once we refresh more, once we get less gold here, so make sure to keep that in mind. So of course, if you have 0 gold, you'll not be able to refresh anymore. Of course, you can even refresh with the P button. You can save those on your settings and here, and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.